Who's winning?
Who wins? Billy, how much you got? I'm the ref.
Another game like a fucking
Ooh, nice goal! He's got him all over! It keeps going! It keeps going! And it keeps going! And goal! And goal! Which shot was that?
Huh?
Oh, that was my serve. You got it. Hey, how about we go jump in the mattress again? Come on, let's go jump in the mattresses. Hey, come on, man.
4, 5.
Ready, buddy?
Ready.
Alright, here we go. I want you to jump, man. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh,
This is what Rigo does on his free time.
Huh?
This is what Rigo does on his free time.
Alright, here we go.
Dale.
Ready?
Do a flip. Let's fix that poster while you're there.
I need a thumbtack.
You need a what?
A thumbtack.
Let me check over here.
Who was the smart guy that put this shit on with a staple gun?
The same guy that's gonna pass you the staple gun again.
Throw it. It's a straight?
Yeah,
Sure?
it is. No, it is, man. There you go. Put it in a different spot, pendejo. There you go. Nice. I like this one. Ah! Hey, cut it out! I like that one.
Oh, there's more over there.
The Hostler.
I'll do a flip over here.
Go ahead. You're gonna bust your ass. You're gonna jump the. Oh, you're going. I thought you were going backwards. You're an idiot.
So, man,
Nothing. What you doing?
chilling, testing out the product. Make
Yeah, I
sure
can
that it's so
see.
good.
So when the customers come in, they can see the lumps in it. That's great.
Something like that.
What kind of mattress is this?
That is a opal, queen opal.
And this one you're laying on?
That's the Royale pillow top.
Ah, and which one's the more expensive one?
This one I'm laying on.
Ah, okay. So you're a colchonero?
Colchonero.
Are you like Billy Bob?
Colchonero till I die, but until the FBI comes and gets me.
Are you gonna make your mom load the mattresses like Billy Bob?
Yup. Nah, she don't load mattresses. I'll make somebody else load the mattresses. All right, let's go. What we gonna do?
I think I got next. I'm the winning champ. I don't know why. I am.
Man, George, you can play, dude.
Billy can play. Look, Billy can play like the Chinese. He's got the tattoos to prove it. And here is, this one here is Randy Daytona.
Play the guitar, George. All right, don't record so much.
Yeah. We gotta record 10 minutes. You can put up to 10 minutes on YouTube.
Yeah, but that's too long.
No, it's not, man. People are looking.
Not for the other one.
8.
Sure.
What you got, 15?
You can record.
Time. 8? 8. No, yes, sir.
Why are we recording a ping pong game?
Yeah,